Picking the right cordless drill can be the difference between a finished project and a frustrating afternoon. I've sorted through the crowded market to bring you my top 5 picks for 2025. I've specifically ranked these models to give you the absolute best bang for your buck, whether you're a DIYer or a pro. For up-to-date prices on all the drills, you'll find links waiting for you in the description. All right, let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Black & Decker cordless drill. This is the entry-level drill designed for simplicity and affordability. It runs on the widespread 20 volts battery platform and delivers 115 inch-pounds of torque with a single-speed gearbox topping out at 650 RPM. Now, those numbers aren't going to blow you away, but they're not meant to. This setup is perfectly tuned for the most common household jobs. Think assembling that new bookshelf, hanging curtains, or tightening loose cabinet hinges. Its biggest selling point is undoubtedly the price. It's incredibly accessible, making it a no-brainer for someone who doesn't own a drill yet. Moving up to our number 4 spot, we have the Bosch PS31. This is a significant step up in just about every category from the Black & Decker, aimed at users who need more performance in a small package. Don't let the 12-volt system fool you. This little guy is a powerhouse. It delivers a muscular 265 inch-pounds of torque and features a 2-speed gearbox. The standout feature here is its performance-to-size ratio. Weighing under 2 pounds, it's a dream for overhead work or squeezing into tight spaces like inside cabinets. Coming in at number 3 is the Makita FD09. This drill shares a lot of DNA with the Bosch we just saw. It's another professional-grade 12 volts compact powerhouse. It delivers 250 inch-pounds of torque and also features 2-speed gearbox. Where the Makita edges ahead for some users is in its speed, reaching 1,700 RPM. This makes it a noticeably faster driller, which can save you a lot of time when you're boring multiple holes. Breaking into our top 2, we have a kit that is all about maximum value, the Craftsman Max Combo Kit. For a price that's often less than a single drill from other brands, you get not 1, but 2 essential tools: a drill, driver, and an impact driver. The drill itself is a solid performer in the 20 volts class, with a 2-speed gearbox. But the real beast here is the included impact driver. With a 1,460 inch-pounds of torque, this tool is an absolute monster for driving fasteners. Getting both of these, plus 2 batteries and a charger, is an almost unbeatable package. And at the top of our list, our number 1 pick is the Dewalt Max XR. This drill earns its spot by perfectly blending professional-grade technology, power, and outstanding design at a highly competitive price. It's built around a highly efficient motor design, which translates into 2 huge real-world benefits. You get significantly more work done on a single battery charge, and the tool is built to last for years of hard use. The only minor drawback is that the kit includes just 1 battery, so for all-day projects, a second one would be a wise investment.